What's up everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create a Discord server. For that the process is very simple. All you have to do is to go and click over this button which says add a server. Just click on it and here on the top you will see a create my own server option. Just click on it. Here you will see further two more options. One is for me and my friends and the second one is for a club or a community. Select the option according to your requirement and just go with it. For me, I'm gonna go with for me and my friends. Here, just name the server anything you want to name and upload a photo with it. So once you're done with uploading the photo and the name, all you have to do is to click on create button. So now as you guys can see that my server has been created. So once your server has been created, all you have to do is to add bots in it. So for that the process is very simple. All you have to do is to go and visit discordbots.com. So go and Google Chrome and search Discord bots. So once you're on the main page, you can go with multiple websites. But for me, I will just tell you to go with discordbots.com, which says bots.gg. Just click on it and open it up. Here you can search the bots according to your need, or simply if you don't know what bot you want to use, you can simply come here and visit different sort of bots. So what you have to do is to invite the bot into your server. So for that the process is very simple. Just click on invite button. After clicking on invite button, you will be redirected to this page. All you have to do is to select the server and press continue. It will ask for your permission, just authorize it, and boom, all you have to do is to verify your identity if you're human or not, and after that the server will be added with the bot. So here you guys can see that the bot has been added to my server. So that's how you can add bot in your server. I hope you find this video well. Take care. Bye bye.